In this video, you're going to learn how to make a delicious and healthy kale and quinoa salad. What makes this recipe special is its combination of nutrient-dense kale and protein-packed quinoa, along with a variety of fresh and flavorful ingredients. It's perfect for a nutritious lunch or a refreshing side dish at dinner. Let's get started with the ingredients. For this salad, you will need 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, 1 bunch of fresh kale, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 avocado, half a cup of chickpeas, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Begin by cooking the quinoa. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium-sized pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the quinoa, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until all the water is absorbed. Remove from heat and let it cool. While the quinoa is cooking, prepare the kale. Remove the stems from the kale and chop the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Wash thoroughly and set aside. Next, slice the cherry tomatoes in half. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Dice it into small cubes.